Ralph, the manufacturing engineer from the Acme company, has just received a production order to produce thousands of new gear. He knows the machines and the cutting tools he will need to manufacture the part. But how will he hold this part through all the critical machining operations? He needs a work-holding solution. He decides to check with the purchasing engineer. "Hey Walt, I just received a production order to produce this new gear." "Yeah, I heard about that order. What can I do to help?" "Well, I know the operations that I need to produce the part, but I'm not sure of the options available to hold the part during production. In order to efficiently produce a high-quality part, it will require the most accurate and rigid work holding." "I know. The supplier, the Speedgrip Chuck Company, I had their new sales manager and local representative schedule a meeting with me a few weeks ago. I had no idea the scope of their product offering. I will email their new digital catalogs for you to review." A few days later, a Speedgrip representative arrives. He'll be meeting with the engineering manager and purchasing agent. "Our engineers have reviewed your manufacturing requirements and were able to design a work-holding solution for 4 of your operations on this part." The representative explains the work-holding solutions designed by the Speedgrip engineers. For the first operation of turning the part on a CNC lathe, it will be held on the outside diameter with your standard 3-jaw chuck. The part will be machined on the face and an internal bore will be created, not a Speedgrip item. For the second operation, performed on a second CNC lathe, a Speedgrip standard internal collect chuck will be used to grip inside the newly machined bore and pull the qualified face of the part back against a solid work stop. The opposite side and the outside diameter of the part will be machined. For your gear hobbing application, we have come up with a double saber-tooth expanding mandrel. Because of the saber-tooth's unique properties, you will be able to hob 2 parts at a time. This will cut your cycle time in half. After the part is heat treated, we have designed a close tolerance hydraulic arbor to grind the tooth form on the parts. Due to the limited travel of the hob cutter, we designed the arbor with a riser plate. After the ring gear is ground complete, the part will be inspected using a Speedgrip push-on collet, which also locates on the pitch diameter of the gear teeth. The newly created part is complete and within all the designated tolerances. The parts will now be ready to pack and ship with confidence that each meets the tolerances and requirements of the customer. Work holding you can trust.